Pathway Creations presents a New Earth Shamans Energy Healing Retreat. What makes this retreat special? Shamans have the unique mission of ushering in the new age, the time of transformation. As the world remembers the wisdom of our ancestors, we will restore union in the earth to expand our spirituality and our love. Take a soul journey through shamanic ceremonies that will lead you deeper into your heart. The time has come for lightworkers and healers to raise the vibration of the planet and restore harmony. Shamanic and Energy healing is assisting our world to reconnect with its true nature and return balance with Pachamama, Mother Earth. This is a unique, transformational experience, touching you deeply in your shamanic journey. An unprecedented blend of ancient wisdom, sacred ceremony, shamanic healing, energy healing, and current wellness modalities. Balance your soul and body through a truly magnificent spiritual experience with shamanic healing rituals in the tranquil countryside of Virginia. Your Shamanic Energy Healing Retreat will be held at Pathway Creations on 15 acres of Virginia country charm. You'll have plenty of room for nature walks, stargazing, and relaxing. Your Shamanic Energy Healing practitioners will guide you into a deeper understanding of what it means to live in balance with yourself and Pachamama, Mother Earth, and with the knowledge that we are all one with unique individual purpose. During your 3-day spiritual and energy healing journey, you'll experience plant medicine, shamanic ceremonies and initiations. There will be sound healing during drumming circles, color therapy, with art classes where you will discover your creativity. There will be guided meditations, grounding experiences, breath work, animal spiritual work, including equine therapy. There will be shamanic traditions, including cultural experiences. All this and so much more in a peaceful country setting. Connect with nature, learn ceremony and rituals, create a sacred community. During your retreat, you will balance and clear your energies of mind and spirit. This is the ideal location to unplug and enjoy the beauty of nature. You'll have time to reflect, center, and gather your true self. To contact the host for more information on this truly unique experience, follow the links included. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Plan your retreat today.